The Prophet of Allah tells us of a man who worshipped Allah for 500 years. He worshipped Allah for how long? For 500 years. Then when he came and he stood before Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah says to the angels, take him and enter him into the paradise through my mercy. You know what I love about the hadith? The sincerity of the man. He says, oh Allah, though I appreciate that I'm going to paradise, but I heard you say enter through your mercy. Oh Allah, I don't want to enter through your mercy. I want to enter through my actions. I worshipped you for 500 years. Surely that is worth something. Today we have this, that I'm better than the rest. That look at my beautiful beard, man. Look how it wiggles as I talk. And look at my, look at my nice white abaya. And look at my nice coat, Who do you think you are, man? So Allah says, you want to enter through your actions? He says, yes. Allah says, no problems. So He orders the angels and He says, bring the scales forward. Allah says to the angels, put his 500 years of worship on one end of the scale and just only put the ni'mah, only put the blessing that I gave him to be able to see with his eyes. Just the blessing of seeing, put that on the other end of the scale. The ni'mah of seeing outweighed the worship of 500 years. So He says to the angels, take him and cast him into the hellfire. Then and only then did he realize that my ibadah equal to nothing without Allah's mercy. Then he begs Allah and he says, oh Allah, I am content with your mercy.